you to Puerto Princesa International Airport.
Ayan yung arrival ng Puerto Princesa, guys. Oh, tapos pupunta kayo dito. Dito na yung mga sundo nyo, taxi at tricycle. Ayan, oh, very organized sila. Tapos doon may mga kainan. At doon meron yung mga van papuntang El Nido. Doon sa kabila. So guys, andito na kami sa aming accommodation, Tiwis Travelers Inn. So, ayan yung building, guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Mga 10 minutes tricycle ride galing airport. So, pag nag-tricycle kayo, standard yan, 200 pesos yung babayaran nyo. Good for 4 na yan siya, sabi nila. Pero, yung sa amin naman is 2 bata. So, kasyang-kasya talaga kami. Tapos, 2 maliit na bag. So, pag 4 kayo na malalaking tao, magdadalawang tricycle talaga kayo. So, hindi na kayo pwedeng mag-areglo. Kasi 200 talaga yan. Kung gusto nyo, maglakad na lang kayo palabas ng airport kasi nga malapit lang naman. Tapos doon kayo kumuha ng pedicab or taxi kasi parang 13 pesos per head. Yung papuntang main road, papuntang Robinsons. So, ngayon, hindi pa na-prepare yung kwarto namin kasi nga 3 p.m. pa yung check-in. So yung gagawin namin ngayon is magsi-city tour kami. May kinuha akong city tour sa isang travel agency dito sa Puerto Princesa. 700 pesos per head yung binayaran ko. So mga ano yan siya, 1 to 5 na city tour. Pupunta kami sa Baywalk, Cathedral. So mamaya i-vlog ko, guys, para makita nyo. So see you na lang mamaya. Salaf Rubira. La casa Salaf, no de Kansas Darcy. Oh, sorry, Scott.
Then we start to the right panel.
Tapos, ito.
Very good. Yan ang process hanggang matapos 35.
Grabe. Sa isang bag, ilang parcel siya.
Ano pa ma'am? Ano, 8 to 5 dito. Kaya 1 yan ma'am, dapat may matapos ng 1 week para masahog sa sabat.
Ini dry, Scott. Prune of brown. Yeah, well, so in trouble. $6.49 lang, papi.
Mommy, this more.
In the south, and then Rojas is the next municipality in the north. So see how big is Puerto Princesa from here to there. So this is the Puerto Princesa city. So if we're going to put it in a percentage, 30% yung occupied ng people. The rest of that is forest.
So we have a choice.
Huwag kita sa ilin dito dahil mas mabawal.
It's hard to get the school is organic fertilizer. So that's kind of
Shelter. So it's temporary because they just come and go anytime. If they want to go home, they can go home. It's up to them. But they don't walk anymore. Okay, that means a bird song on their dialect. So that's their Kudlungan or Kudjun. That one smells like that but no added chemical. Okay, she will go around. Clarissa will go around trying to smell the smoke to everyone. So after this, if you want to have a pictures with the tribe, you can...
Yeah, Lucas. Wow.
As the crocodile.
Okay.
Je bent zo'n zwaar kindje.
Heeft dat nu?
Ja. Heb je niet zoveel bewegen?
Ja?
Het is goed zo als gaat hij bewegen.
Dat zeg ik toch.
Oké, na po yun na.
Mam, bij mij was hij nog meer aan het bewegen.
Agoy Ginoo. Sakit na rin yung Sakit man ang bit.
The pastries. This is the shop.
Okay.
And then, if you're going to buy now, it's okay. I'll just wait you here.
Dus ik wil mee met jou.
Yeah. Stop.
Happy